How to make the MG infotainment screen dark because it's just too bright at night. You can click any button to get to the home screen, like there or up here, and you'll get to this screen. Then you scroll to the left and you go to settings, and background switching is what you want to change. See, I've got the brightness as low as possible. It's still too bright. You go to background switching and you choose dark, and watch the magic happen. Look at that. And then you go up to the home screen and you scroll back to the right. Now you have a dark infotainment screen. That's how you do it. So I'll just get back to the key bit. It's in settings. It's background switching, and you choose dark. And all your problems are gone.